Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding purpose and color coding. Use bright colors for urgent items and pastels for reference. Once done, write a single clear action per note with a short verb first. This reduces ambiguity and speeds decisions. Make sure to test your pen on an extra note so ink won't smear. Then apply the sticky at eye level on a clean surface so it stays visible and adheres well. This increases the chance you'll act on it. You now create structure. Form columns or zones labeled to do, doing, done, or group by project. Once done, move notes between zones to reflect progress. This physical action reinforces completion. Make sure to cluster related tasks so you can tackle similar work in one session and avoid context switching. Use simple markings, numbers, arrows, or a dot system to indicate order and priority so you always know what to pick up next without rereading every note. You finish by reviewing daily. Spend 2 minutes each morning updating statuses, removing done notes, and adding new ones. Once done, archive completed stickies by sticking them into a notebook or snapping a photo for a searchable record. This preserves history without clutter. Make sure to refresh adhesives periodically and reposition notes to avoid humidity or direct sunlight. If notes peel or curl, clean the surface and press firmly or use a small piece of tape. This fixes adhesion and prevents loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.